You read the title, How to Stop Being a People Pleaser. Hey guys, it's Bill Huss here. I talk about grooming, lifestyle and fragrances. Please subscribe if you want to see more content. Look, I'm guilty of being a people pleaser in the past. But in this video, I will tell you 4 tips on how to stop trying to impress and stop trying to be a people pleaser. Number 1, ask yourself, what is the point of trying to impress that one person that does not like you? Because you're wasting all your time and energy. If that person does not like you of who you are, realize that's their problem, not yours. You're unique. Tell yourself that every day. Number 2, focus on your goals and your dreams. Things you want to succeed in life. Because in reality, no one cares about your goals. You're the only person that cares about your goals. Focus on them first. And if you focus on yourself more, you'll see amazing results in the future. And it will make you say no, things getting in the way. Number 3, another thing I'm guilty of, apologizing a lot for being myself. Look, you don't have to apologize for being yourself. This is a habit I used to do, and it used to make me feel insecure after I used to apologize for things that I shouldn't be apologizing for, like prioritizing for myself, focus on myself. Trick to overcome this habit is say sorry, yes. Don't apologize for being yourself. You have to love yourself. Number 4, final tip is stop feeling guilty. Look, this is a habit I'm still trying to overcome to this day. I know it's hard, that hard feeling in your heart where you feel so guilty of letting that person down. You feel so upset, like, why did I do this in the past? And why did I upset that person? Why did I say this? A good way to overcome guilt is keep focusing on your success. Keep focusing on your dreams. Hard work. Take action. You shouldn't be guilty of trying to, change your life. And realize the past is the past. You can't do anything to change it. You got to move forward. Remember, we're all fighters in the mind. We get knocked down, but then we got to take 10 seconds to get back up. We are all a fighter and a student. We learn from the best. So these are my 4 tips on how to stop being a people pleaser. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more YouTube videos on grooming, fragrance and lifestyle advice. Thanks guys for watching. Take care.